All right. Can you say what the hell?
What the heck?
This is something. I'll tell you that.
Somebody said they got a True Detective.
All right.
Oh,
Or
they
or or Hannibal.
Exactly.
Or Hannibal.
You see the syringe in the back of this one?
No.
One that's crouching here in the white?
Oh my God, that's crazy. Look at that. Damn, these guys are crazy. This is so
Shit, man.
it's like zombified. This is come on, with the antler horns? Come on, tell me
No,
this ain't
it's Hannibal.
tell me that well, it's not definitely Hannibal, but like we've been watching so much of it. It's just
Something
totally
Hannibal.
fires on all the cylinders for us right now. And this guy on the I didn't even notice this guy on the floor. He's like falling. This is crazy. These guys know what art's about. We don't know. We're learning. We're learning.